Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about medical equipment. So medical equipment is what I want to talk about here, not medical supplies or medicine supplies or meds or anything else like that. I'm talking about medical equipment supplies, having extras. Well, what classifies as medical equipment? Well, a lot of things. Fingernail clippers. You get a hangnail, that can be a medical equipment supply there, because that if you get a hangnail, it gets infected, it can screw you up. Tweezers. All right. Thermometers, blood pressure cuffs, all tourniquets, all the things you need that are medical equipment. Get some extra ones in your supplies, because these don't stay sharp forever, and sometimes when people try resharpening them, they screw them up or they get lost. The kids flush it down the toilet. So there's a lot of things to look around. Make a list. Once again, get your notebook out. Make a list of all the medical equipment you have and need, and start stocking up some extra on it. Now, you may, when you're doing this list, suddenly realize, dang, I always wanted to get this particular item. Well, now's your chance. Add it to your preps. All right? Because you never know when that piece of equipment is going to go missing on you, because you got kids or someone borrowed it and didn't put it back. And it's going to take you a while to find it. But you need to have another one there in the supply cache that you can go to immediately to get it to replace it. With that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicines, and medical supplies, or medical equipment supplies. Get that right. Equipment. You got that? All right, good. Why? This is why.